Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my new video story with some Sunny. So how are you everyone? I think you're having a good time, very good time, and I'm also passing a very good moment because as you can see we have come here to wandering this place, and actually the circumstances, natural beauty, as you can see, the yes, wood besides. Actually, there are so many tea gardens are available, and it's a piece of, I can say, it's a piece of pace, right? If you do care, you can visit somewhere. You can visit this type of place. So, Limon, how are you?
Yeah, I'm always fine. How about you?
Yes, I'm over the moon by after coming here. So, what do you think actually people should visit somewhere to enhance or removing their inertia or hesitation? Is it good for our health or our mind?
Yeah, traveling is a great way to remove our inertia. We can get confident to do any work. If we can travel new places, we can remove our hesitation problem. That is,
Okay.
we can do lots of work. And right now we have come here another new place so that we can enjoy the natural beauty. And it's our traveling moment. So that is the things.
Okay.
Everyone, we should travel.
Okay. Thank you for so much for giving me such kind of answer. So, after coming here, what's your feeling actually? I can
Oh,
say.
my feeling is incredible because it's my first time I have come in this place. But before the coming this place, I have traveled lots of place like tea garden. I have traveled, but in this tree garden, I didn't come before.
Okay. So that's a good answer. And I have come a lot of time in this place, but this is my first time. Well, this is my first time actually. I have come here and I'm making video. But before that, oh my God, out of the blue, as can you imagine that when I have come here in the past time, actually, I didn't speak properly. But right now, I'm come here to make just video. It's
Yeah,
an
what a
amazing
fantastic
experience.
moment.
What a fantastic moment, I can say. So as you can see, guys, my our behind side, there are so many trees are available. So okay. So by coming here, actually, you should describe actually how many obstacles we have faced.
We have faced lots of problems, especially in our cycle because we can't drive properly. We got lots of problem in our cycle, like pedal, like chain, like this type of things. We have we have got problem because
Okay.
we can't drive properly when we was coming.
Okay, that's the good answer. Yeah, that's the thing actually. And as soon as possible, we have to back our home because the sun is rising. So for this reason, after a few moments, I think it will be aggrandized. The sun is going to be aggrandized, and it will be hot day for us. And as we are riding, as we are traveling cycle, so it will be difficult for going our home, right? So for this reason, actually, as soon as possible, we have to go. So that's the thing actually. I don't make it wrong. As you can see, oh my God, the natural beauty is totally amazing. And here is Mahmoud. He is making so many videos for upload on his social media, on his page, on his YouTube channel, right? And after that, Limon is here. Limon, after making video, also Limon will make video. And as you can see, Mahmoud is feeling something. I don't know what is the Mamun is nervous or not. I don't know what is going on his mind. So Mamun, how are you? You can come here. Okay, so how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, after coming here, what is your feeling? এখানে আসার পর তোমার কেমন লাগছে?
আমার ফিলে অনেক ভালো লাগছে। আর প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্য দেখতে অনেক ভালো। সকালে প্রতিদিন যাওয়া যায় এই ওয়েদারে।
Okay, so do you think is it good for our health by traveling cycle or wandering or walking somewhere to visit? তুমি কি মনে করো যে সাইকেল চালানো স্বাস্থ্যের জন্য ভালো?
অবশ্যই কেননা এই কত সুন্দর পরিবেশ আর এই পরিবেশের মধ্যে সকালে সাইকেল চালানো তো অন্যরকম একটা ফিলিংস আছে তো সাইকেল চালানোই যায় এটা হলে আমরা প্রতিদিন সাইকেল চালাতে পারি তোমাদেরও প্র্যাকটিস হবে ইংলিশ
Okay, yes. Keep practicing, and also that Brahman is try to learn English speaking, but he's a Joe holder, so for this reason actually he doesn't have much time to practice his English. But so when he gets time, he tried to call me to visit somewhere. So for this reason we have to come here just right now, right? And as you can see, this is cycle. This is my cycle, and Limon is riding the cycle right now. So that's the thing actually. And as you can see, the natural beauty and okay, so that's the thing actually, and so many vehicles are passing by this site. So for this reason we have to maintain our rule, we have to maintain our destination. We and you know that I'm sitting sorry, I'm standing on the grass beside the wood. So for this reason, because of there are so many vehicles and it might be dangerous, it might be harmful for our health. Right, so for this reason actually I don't make it longer. As you can see, oh my god, the natural beauty, I can't explain this thing. Okay, those who really want to learn English, I think you should learn English by wandering, by visiting some places, because it is too much helpful for practicing English, right? So because of you will learn so many things from such kind of different types of sites. And also when you will try to make video after from different types of sites, you will learn so many things from this site. Because of, as you can see right now, I can say I'm chewing the tea leaf. So in this way actually, when you will not, or when you don't know that what is the meaning of this tree, what is the meaning, or what is the name of this tree, exact tree, you will search on YouTube, you will search on lots of sites, and you will get the information. And after getting information, you will make you will make video with using your main vocabulary, right? So they are capturing picture, and after making video I will capture also picture. So I don't make it longer. Those who are really like my video and subscribe my channel, assalamu alaikum.